Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. This is the 12th video in the series, and today we got more DURATECH. This time it's pipe wrenches. We got a 4-piece set, 8-inch, 10-inch, 14, and 18. And these came off Amazon. And let's look them over. They're alright. They're not as good as a rigid. They're just not. They got springs, but no, they're not as good. Threads ain't as tight on here. They're a lot looser. But when you consider all 4 of these with free shipping is $52. That's about what you pay for the little rigid, so yeah, that's fine with me. And I do need these. And if you use many pipe wrenches, you know that most of the time you don't need 1, you need 2. So that's why I got this pair, small ones, and this pair, because most of the time the wrong part of the pipe's going to turn, so you need 2 pipe wrenches. So there we go. We got pipe wrenches that work rigids up to 48 inches, but we got 24, 36, and 48. All the little stuff's been stolen, so if you're going to have something like this, which is very handy, you really will use these. You got to have your own and lock them up in your own toolbox and keep them that way, so nobody will get them. But so $52, 8, 10, 14, and 18. They're for $52, I'm well pleased with them. Having said that, if I get my own 24 and 36, I'll have to get something a little tougher. I'm scared they'll break, and we don't want that. So there you go. There's today's video. Thanks for watching.